If for some reason you started an application and weren't able to complete it, you are able to go back into the system, pull up the existing application, and complete the missing information or correct the stipulations that were on the application, complete the app, and move into the sales activity. Coming into the Customer Activity Center, click on Maintain Customer Applications, and when your search modal appears, you can customize your search. Only search by buyers, co-buyers, co-signers. You can include all of them. You can search based on application status. So if I did want to find an application with pending stipulations, I could select that as my status, and I could search all lots or a specific lot. And I can put in a customer name. I can search by the criteria listed here in our drop list, or I could just click the search button and locate my customer from the list of existing applicants with pending stipulations. So I found my customer, and now maybe the stipulation was that we didn't have enough references. So I can come into the reference tab, add my references, and once I have that added, and then of course you'll want at least 5 to 10 references, then I can click that, move through the rest of the tabs, make sure all my stipulations have been met, come back to the Personal tab, change the status now to Open or Reviewing, and I can save the application. Now if all the steps had been met and everything was okay, I could move it to Open status, go into the Vehicle Info tab, select the vehicle that we want to sell, and move to the sales process by clicking Create Sales Quote and or Create Sale. Another thing that you can do in the Customer Activity Center is maintain your customer database. So perhaps you had someone that was a co-buyer in the past and they are now interested in purchasing a vehicle. You could come into your Maintain Customer database and search by any of the criteria in your criteria list. Enter the name. We'll just stick with Cassidy as a last name, and you could search, and once you find the customer or co-buyer, you can enter there or click select. It will load the application, and you can see this one says editing customer. If they are an existing customer, then it would say existing. If it were an existing co-buyer, co-signer, reference, that would be listed at the top as well. So then you can complete the tabs, save the application, or then start the sale process at this point.